Here is the extracted list of AI model types and industries in practice from table. S.No AI model type industry in practice. 8.0 AI for weather prediction, meteorology, environmental science, disaster management. 8.1 AI in hydrodynamics, marine engineering, climate research, flood forecasting. 9.0 AI in agriculture, agrotech, smart farming, food supply chain. 9.1 AI in plant pathology, agriculture, greenhouse management, agri-robotics. 10.0 AI on edge devices, IoT, smart cities, autonomous surveillance. 10.1 AI in embedded systems, industrial IoT, aerospace, smart manufacturing. 11.0 AI in logistics, e-commerce, transportation, EV charging network. 11.1 AI in search engines, tech industry, digital marketing, social media. This table now provides a structured breakdown of industry departments and their sub-departments where AI models are applied. AI/ML exercise, with sample and Python. 11.1 Graph theory, PR, A, equals, 1D, plus D sigma, PR, B, slash L, B, AI in search engines, tech industry, digital marketing, social media, digital marketing, search engine optimization, content ranking, ad targeting. AI model note, Python program. What all reports and graphs can be generated for all levels in industry. Exercise 11.1 Graph theory, PR, A, equals, 1D, plus D sigma, PR, B, slash L, B, AI in search engines, tech industry, digital marketing, social media, digital marketing, search engine optimization, content ranking, ad targeting. For exercise 11.1, Graph theory, PageRank algorithm. In AI for search engines, Python can generate various reports and graphs for different levels in the industry. Below is a structured breakdown of what can be done. 1. Reports that can be generated. A. Basic reports. 1. Website ranking report. Displays the ranking of web pages based on PageRank values. Columns, page ID, PageRank score, incoming links, outgoing links. 2. SEO performance report. Shows SEO metrics like keyword rankings, click-through rates, and backlinks. Columns, keyword, search volume, CTR, domain authority, backlinks. 3. Ad targeting efficiency report. Analyzes the performance of AI-driven advertising campaigns. Columns, ad campaign, target audience, click rate, conversion rate. B. Advanced reports. 4. Content influence and spread analysis report. Identifies how content spreads on platforms like YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter. Columns, post ID, shares, engagement rate, virality score. 5. User behavior report, recommendation engine. Tracks user behavior and how AI personalizes content ranking. Columns, user ID, page views, time spent, recommended content. 6. SEO strategy success report. Compares different SEO strategies using historical data. Columns, SEO strategy, traffic growth, bounce rate, revenue impact. 2. Graphs that can be generated. A. Basic graphs. 1. PageRank distribution graph, bar chart. Shows PageRank scores for different pages. 2. SEO keyword performance graph, line chart. Tracks the growth of keyword rankings over time. 3. Backlink distribution graph, pie chart. Displays percentage of backlinks per source. B. Advanced graphs. 4. Network graph of web links, graph theory visualization. Shows how web pages are interconnected using the PageRank model. 5. Click-through rate, CTR, versus ad budget, scatter plot. Visualizes the relationship between ad spending and CTR. 6. Heat map of user engagement. Displays which sections of a website get the most attention. This video is a Plotly-based PageRank visualization of a directed graph representing web pages and their importance based on the PageRank algorithm. Here's a detailed breakdown. 1. Title and author details. At the top, the title states Web page ranking using PageRank algorithm, Pradeep K. Suri, author, researcher, and AI/ML architect. This indicates that the graph represents a PageRank analysis of a network of web pages, authored by Pradeep K. Suri. 2-node representation, web pages. Each node, circle, represents a web page, labeled with the page name, A, B, C, D, E. The PageRank score, example A, 0.31, D, 0.33. Key observations. Node D, 0.33, has the highest PageRank, meaning it is the most important or authoritative page in this network. Node A, 0.31, is the second highest ranked. Nodes B and C have equal PageRank, 0.16, meaning they have similar levels of importance. Node E has the lowest PageRank, 0.03, indicating it has the least influence in the network. 3. Edge representation, links between pages. Edges, lines, represent hyperlinks between web pages. The direction of edges, from one node to another, shows which page links to which. D receives the most incoming links, contributing to its high PageRank. E has fewer connections, leading to a low PageRank score. 4. Color and styling details. Nodes are white with black outlines, making them stand out against the black background. Edges, connections, are gray, showing links between pages. Text labels are in white, ensuring high contrast for readability. 5. Interpretation of PageRank. Pages with higher PageRank are more influential and are likely to be important reference points in the web network. Pages with lower PageRank are either less linked or less significant in this network. Conclusion. This visualization effectively displays how web pages are ranked based on their importance, using the PageRank algorithm. The most influential pages, A and D, receive the most incoming links, while less significant pages, E, have fewer connections. The video is a graph visualization generated using AI/ML techniques, specifically employing the PageRank algorithm to rank web pages based on their importance. Below is an AI-focused interpretation of the video. AI model usage in the video. This visualization represents the ranking of web pages in a network using the PageRank algorithm, which is widely used in search engines, social network analysis, and recommendation systems. The AI model follows these steps. 1. Graph representation of web pages. The nodes, A, B, C, D, E, represent web pages in a network. The edges, lines between nodes, represent hyperlinks between pages. The PageRank score, shown in parentheses, indicates the importance of each page. 2. PageRank algorithm applied. An AI-based graph processing algorithm, like Google's PageRank, assigns weights to nodes based on incoming and outgoing links. The ranking score is determined by the probability of a user landing on a page by randomly clicking links. Pages with more inbound links from high-ranked pages receive higher PageRank scores. 3. Graph neural networks, GNN, and AI enhancements. AI models such as graph convolutional networks, GCNs, or graph attention networks, GATs, can be used to improve ranking predictions in real-world applications. AI can analyze link patterns, content similarity, and user behavior to refine rankings dynamically. 4. Use cases of AI in PageRank-based systems. Search engines, AI models optimize ranking to show the most relevant web pages. Social media analysis, AI-driven PageRank helps identify influential users. Recommendation systems, AI suggests content/products based on interconnections. Cybersecurity, AI can detect spam/malicious websites using graph analysis. Conclusion. The video is an AI-generated visualization of web page ranking using the PageRank algorithm. AI models like graph neural networks, GNNs, and machine learning techniques enhance link analysis, web search ranking, and recommendation systems. We can plot a bar chart with a line chart using Plotly, and apply a dark background while including a forecast. Below is a Python example that uses Plotly Express, combines bar chart and line chart, applies a dark background, includes forecast data, management perspective, bar chart and line chart analysis. This visualization combines a bar chart and a line chart to present both historical sales data and forecasted trends, providing key insights from a management perspective. 1. Understanding the bar chart, actual data. The light blue bars represent actual sales figures for each month. The height of each bar shows the sales volume, making it easy to compare performance across months. It helps management identify seasonality, growth trends, or declines over time. Management insights from the bar chart, white heavy checkmark trend identification, sales performance over months can be visually compared. White heavy checkmark seasonal effects, spikes or dips in certain months might indicate seasonal demand. White heavy checkmark performance analysis, helps track whether targets were met for each period. 2. Understanding the line chart, forecast. The red line with markers represents forecasted sales. It includes both past and future months, providing a trend projection. The increasing slope of the line indicates expected sales growth. Management insights from the line chart, white heavy checkmark forecasting future performance, helps in demand planning, resource allocation, and budgeting. White heavy checkmark trend continuity, if actual data aligns with the forecast, it indicates stable business growth. White heavy checkmark actionable decisions, if forecasted values suggest a decline, corrective actions, example marketing efforts, pricing strategies, can be taken. 3. Combining both charts for decision making. The combination of actual sales, bars, and forecasted trend, line, allows real-time performance tracking. If the actual sales consistently fall below the forecast, it may indicate underperformance, requiring strategy adjustments. If actual sales exceed the forecast, it suggests better than expected growth, leading to potential expansion opportunities. Strategic takeaways for management, white heavy checkmark budget planning, helps allocate resources efficiently based on sales trends. White heavy checkmark marketing strategies, adjust campaigns based on expected demand fluctuations. White heavy checkmark inventory management, ensures stock levels align with projected sales to avoid shortages or overstocking. White heavy checkmark revenue forecasting, supports financial planning by predicting future cash flow. General interpretation. The bar chart provides a clear, structured view of past performance. The line chart gives a forward-looking perspective, helping businesses stay proactive. The dark theme with contrasting colors enhances readability and clarity, making it effective for business presentations. Would you like me to enhance the forecast using statistical models like linear regression or ARIMA for more precise predictions? Rocket. Features in this plot. Heavy checkmark bar chart rightward arrow represents actual sales data. Heavy checkmark line chart rightward arrow represents both actual plus forecast data. Heavy checkmark dark theme rightward arrow uses Plotly_dark for a stylish dark background. Heavy checkmark forecast rightward arrow shows future predictions in red line. The below Python program utilizes the Plotly library to create a combined bar chart and line chart for visualizing sales data along with a forecast. The program first defines historical sales data for 12 months and appends forecasted values for the next 3 months, ensuring a seamless transition between actual and predicted data. The bar chart, light blue, represents actual sales, while the line chart, red, with markers, extends into the forecasted period, helping to visualize expected future trends. The integration of both charts allows for easy comparison of past performance with future projections. The Plotly Graph Objects, Go, module is used to construct and customize the visualization. The program initializes a figure and adds a bar chart for actual sales, followed by a line chart that connects both actual and forecasted data. The layout is enhanced with a dark theme, titles, and labels, making the chart both visually appealing and informative. The title credits Pradeep K. Suri as the author, researcher, and AI/ML architect, emphasizing the professional context of the analysis. Finally, the chart is displayed using Figure Show, providing an interactive and dynamic visualization suitable for presentations and business insights.